is a serious shot, and I'm so happy that I'm in the comp box with you right now because there was a lot of excitement. Michael Zaman getting all of that flat batting that over the long off boundary. Hazelwood opting for that wide delivery. He doesn't even have a fine leg. He has no fine leg, which means that he's gonna zone in on that wide line. The fucker's gone very deep in his crease here.
Ball for two, and Rضوان will almost jog back. So
you see how deep he is in his crease here.
Yeah, that's
that fine leg area. He's setting up for a good straight Yorker, I suppose.
oh, that is a no ball, and that'll get to the top. Misses land by long. Oh, he's hit that. Miles. That's on all the way, just on the offside.
I'm going to start raising my voice right now. This is incredible. That's a great hit. Free hit in the slot. Rضوان, he's up for that. Great hands. How quickly his hands.